Welcome back to Livie'S, Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. And I have some happy mail from our good friend Mrs. Sonya Stover. From Sonya Stover here on YouTube. She also has a online shop, an Etsy shop, and she offers digitals and mostly vintage, but they're made by her. And then I think that she offers some freebies on her blog. So I will drop links down below to those so that you can go and check her out, check her channel and her website out, or her shops out. And so let's open this up. I have a good idea of what this is. Sonya, on her channel, she every week she has a use up your scraps series. So every week she takes the scraps that she has, I guess maybe allocated for the time period, and she creates something out of them. And believe you me, it's nothing that I would make, because I just am not that ingenious. Some of the stuff is interactive, flips and tucks and folds and spinners. And listen, you want to up your game, head on over to Sonya's channel, okay? Especially with those scraps. She's a genius with it. Now, in this one particular video, she had created, and I'll show you in just a second, some ice skates. I can't remember what it was that she created. I think they were journal cards, but we'll find out in just a second. But I just remember the ice skates, and I just was like, oh, I love them. I love them. And it reminded me of being back home. My best friend of over 20 years, she played hockey. So, and she still does to this day. At 55, 56 years old, she still plays hockey, amongst, in addition to softball. But nevertheless, so between being on the rink, being at the rink for hockey games, I've also ushered at the hockey games. I think it's NHL hockey games, because her father was in the union for like the stadiums and what have you. So whenever they needed somebody to fill in, I'd get picked. And then also we had a skating rink downtown in our city. So, and we had an indoor skating rink. Either way, that's what these reminded me of. So without further ado, let me just show you what Sonya sent me. Oh, and she sent me some extra stuff, because this is not part of that. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you, Sonya. And you know I'm going to save this bag. Okay, I'm going to have to pause for a second. Okay. That's better. There we go. That sun is coming in, and it's a bit much. So, okay, let me see how I'm going to open this up. All right. And here we go. Okay, gracious. I don't want to tear the bag, because y'all know I'm going to reuse it. Okay, I think we got it now. I love the large size bags. I use them to hold my scraps while I'm creating a project. Alright, so this is what Sonya sent. So let me just show you. Oh, look at this postcard. It says, Fam, here's a little something I wanted to share with you. I know you like the vintage 70s, and I hope these ice skates will be something you can use. That enjoy, Sonya, 817. And I most certainly will. I plan to do something with these. Look at that. Look at that. So that's one. And let me bring this up so y'all can see exactly what I'm talking about. And I'm going to put the video that this came from up in the corner. Look at the two different tones. May God bless you with joy, peace, and love on this Christmas. Then we got the little red dots. And she actually put Distress Oxide on here, because I think it was all brown. And then she changed the color a little bit, which I thought was ingenious. Okay, so that's one. And then here's the second one. Okay. And then here is the third. Something behind it. Now, my thought was, because when I said I like them, I said I'm going to upcycle the ones that she sent me. So I'm going to put these scraps that she put to work, I'm going to put them to further use, okay? So my thought was I'd love to take this and mat it, not mat it, but um, this is large enough for home decor. So this one I want to use on a canvas, and I'll probably back it with some Christmas themed paper or something like that. This one will be a slimline card because of its shape, obviously. And I really don't have to do much to this. Maybe mat it again with some Christmas themed paper. And then this one, it's just a journal card. I'm going to be just that lazy. So y'all watch and see. I probably will put some, y'all watch and see. So stay tuned. Now, also, she sent some goodies. So let's take a look. Here's some stickers. And then in here, let me just bring this down a bit. This looks like a bunch of goodies. And if I'm going to be honest with you, I get a little annoyed. About four Christmases ago, I bought a Christmas pad, right? I'm not doing that again. This pad was so thick, and there was just no way that I could use all that paper during that particular craft season. I still have some of it, a good amount, at least half of it. Not like of the entire paper pad, but like good chunks of the ones that I didn't particularly care for. I'm not doing that again. I'll buy a few sheets of the loose papers and maybe some stickers and washi, but I'm not going to buy an entire paper pad again, unless, of course, it's absolutely gorgeous and I have to have it. But nevertheless, let's move along. Okay, so she sent me some of the trim, the flatback pearls. Ooh, some ribbon. Great for me to make the next card. Joy Noel. I love the vintage Christmas. I really do. And I'm not even a Christmas girl. My sister is. This is a ticket. It's a ticket of a sticker of a ticket. Did that sound like sticker of a ticket? Yeah, that's what it. And I don't have the die for this, so I'm excited to have this for myself. Yeah. Okay, let me. I'm already getting ideas, and I don't want to hold y'all while I'm. Look at that. This is so cute. Ooh. These are journaling cards. Oh, ooh, the magic of Christmas. A postcard. Now these will go good in my. Okay, I was getting ready to say these will go good in my Christmas journal, but they will. They'll go great in it. Christmas tags. Ooh, ooh. Look at that embossed ornaments, ribbon, icicles, Paramount. And isn't that cool? I already have an idea what I want to do with that. You'll see it. You'll be seeing it. And then she sent some goodies. Let me keep myself organized because I'm getting entirely too excited. I was going to do one of these in this video, but Sonya sent much more than I anticipated, and I'm going to go through every little piece right here. So I hope y'all don't have nothing to do. I hope you have nowhere to go, because when I get Happy Mail, I get excited, especially because you know I don't do a whole lot of shopping. Mason jars, out of vellum paper. Beautiful. And then we got some tickets. Oh, these will be cute. And some nice shapes. See this? Like, this is why people, I admire those who have dies in their collection, because, you know, you can expand your crafting. I don't have a lot of dies, but it's okay. I'll add to as I'm able to. 3 Days of Christmas. Look at these tickets. These are so adorable. And then some little tags, which I've got an idea for that as well. I certainly do. And this looks like a winter scene. There we go. It is a winter scene. You see it? You probably saw it from way back there. You see the deer? The trees. Isn't that pretty? The trees. I don't know what I want to keep that one. Nobody's getting it. I'm going to keep it. It's okay for me to be selfish with a few things, right? Okay. So anyways, those are the items that our good friend Sonya sent me. And Sonya, I know you're watching. Thank you so much for sending me these beautiful creations that you mastered from your scraps. And 2, for sending me something to add to my Christmas stash, because I really don't have a lot. I don't have a lot. Aside from that paper pad that I just mentioned and a pack that I picked up last year, I don't buy a lot of the Christmas stuff. So this definitely, this probably be it for me. I'll be using what I have and what you just sent to create for Christmas. So stay tuned, and y'all be seeing Sonya's things in the upcoming months as I create for Christmas. And Bohemian Bazaar, isn't that the cutest thing? Isn't that the cutest thing? All right, you know what? This will go in my sister friend journal, which that's now that I'm done with the Vintage Summer Road Trip journal, I can now get started on that. So I'm working on that, as well as a digital that I should be releasing in early September, so stay tuned. And thanks so much for watching, and until we're back here together on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting, and don't forget to check in the description box for links to Sonya's channel and her shop, all right, and her blog. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.